Hi everyone. Throughout the presentation, I'll be talking about Toyota and its marketing fundamentals. Let me start by giving you some overview about Toyota. Toyota is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer which is headquartered in Toyota, Aichi, Japan. It was founded by Kichiro Toyoda and incorporated on August 28, 1937, that is 83 years ago. Toyota has grown from a local business to leading global player in the automotive industry and area served is worldwide. Toyota produced vehicles under 5 brands including Toyota brand, Hino, Lexus, Rance and Daihatsu. Name of current president and representative director is Akio Toyoda. It is a global market leader in sales of hybrid electric vehicles. In this slide, I'll be presenting some of the facts about Toyota. As of December 2019, Toyota is the 10th largest company in the world by revenue and it is one of the largest automobile manufacturers in the world based on sales, which includes its subsidiaries also. Toyota is ranked the number 1 motor vehicle company for 6 consecutive years on Fortune magazine in 2020 and 6th in Fortune Global 500 list. Toyota developed its first passenger car in 1936 and its first product is the Type A engine. Toyota is listed in London Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange and Tokyo Stock Exchange. Its original name Toyoda was driven from its family name and its Japanese language name is 8-stroke count, which is associated with wealth and good fortune. Toyota's logo contains 3 ovals combined to form the letter T, which stands for Toyota. I would like to expand on some of the other businesses of Toyota like financial and housing services. Financial services were established in July 2000 and 100% invested by Toyota Motor Corporation, also known as TFS. Toyota provides financial services mainly auto loans and leasing over 35 countries and regions. Based on its corporate philosophy, Toyota believes in putting the interests and needs of customers first. Housing Services, also known as Toyota Housing Corporation, operates a wide range of housing related businesses such as housing renovations, detached house construction. Toyota Housing founders' strong desire to provide better homes for families in Japan. Brand vision is sincerely for you together for life. Let me elaborate further the other businesses of Toyota as well, such as research for the future robots and frontier research. The company uses industrial robot technology for a variety of applications. Toyota believes in supporting human life activities and living in harmony with people. Toyota Frontier Research aims to create new values. For example, company developed partner robots focused on support for people unable to move on their own, including the aging population. Toyota Marine since 1997. Toyota have been working on the marine business with the desire to realize Toyota's wishes in the field of the sea, consistently working from planning to manufacturing and sales to create safe, comfortable and attractive boats for customers. Range of boats includes Poonam and the 28V Sports Cruiser. And the last but not the least, Happy Agri. Happy Agri provides agri-bio services for Japanese agriculture. Toyota provides service to support agriculture by providing good harvest plans, site improvement, and soil sensing. Working on activities that connect agriculture and food that includes proposals for healthy foods, application of biotechnology to improve the quality of agriculture products. Further, I would like to talk about Toyota's marketing mix. The 4 P's, which is product mix, place mix, promotional mix, and price mix. First is the product mix, which includes Toyota's automobiles, Lexus automobiles, Wellcap products, spare parts, and accessories. Second one is place distribution mix, which includes dealership and retailers. Third one is Toyota's promotional mix, which involves personal selling, advertising, public relations, sales promotion, and direct selling. Last is the price mix, which includes market oriented pricing and value based pricing. Furthermore, I'll be talking about Toyota's marketing mix and its analysis in detail. Product mix. Toyota has diverse set of products through which company reaches wider market and reduces market-based risks. Toyota's Lexus automobiles are the luxury products from the company. Its Wellcare series are Toyota's automobiles modified from the elderly and people with disabilities. The company also manufactures yachts, separate parts and accessories for automobiles and marine products. Place and distribution mix. Dealership are Toyota's main places for distributing its product. Toyota dealership where most sales transactions occur. However, some retailers like auto supply stores also sell company's products, such as spare parts and accessories. This market mix shows that Toyota heavily relies on dealership to sell its product to the targeted market. Today's promotional mix. Toyota's promotion activities are arranged according to significance. Toyota uses personal selling through dealerships, sales personnel who personally promote products to potential buyers. Advertising on various media platforms such as TV, newspapers, and website. Also firm promotes its product through public relations such as Toyota Together Green program that supports environment initiatives and the Meal per Hour program that donates food to food banks. These public relation types of promotion create positive brand image of Toyota. Company sometimes uses sales promotion technique through special deals and uses direct selling for corporate clients. This marketing mix indicate company has comprehensive strategy in promoting its product. Price mix. Toyota prices are based on the product line and the product type and model. Toyota uses the market-oriented pricing strategy to determine the price based on competitors and marketing conditions. This pricing strategy is notable vast majority of Toyota's products such as sedans and trucks. However, firm also uses the value-based pricing strategy which sets the prices based on actual and perceived value of the product. The company uses this method for high-end or more expensive products such as Prius and Lexus. This marketing mix shows that company determines price level on market conditions and customers' perception. In this slide, I'll be discussing about the Toyota's work towards the environment betterment. Toyota announced the Toyota Environmental Challenge 2050 in October 2015. Based on the 6 challenges, Toyota is taking measures with the aim of achieving zero CO2 emissions and a net positive environmental impact and will contribute to realizing of a sustainable society. These 6 challenges are as follows: establishing a future society on harmony with nature, establishing a recycling based society and system, minimizing and optimizing water usage, life cycle zero CO2 challenge, plant zero emission challenge, new vehicle zero emission challenge. I would like to talk about Toyota's business strategies which supports firm growth. Toyota Motor Corporation's generic strategy supports the company's global growth. Founded in 1937, the firm is now a global force in the automobile industry. Toyota Motor Corporation generic strategy is a combination of the cost leadership generic strategy and the broad differentiation generic strategy. A strategic goal corresponding to Toyota's generic strategy is to minimize production costs to attain cost leadership. The company does so through the just-in-time manufacturing method, which is also known as the Toyota's Production System (TPS). This method addresses Toyota's generic strategy by minimizing waste, inventory costs, and response time. Market penetration. Toyota's main intensive growth strategy is market penetration. This intensive strategy supports business growth by reaching and attracting more customers in the firm's current markets. To fulfill its intensive growth strategy, Toyota ensures that it offers products for every market segment. Product development. It is Toyota's secondary intensive growth strategy which supports Toyota's growth by attracting customers to new products. The company uses this strategy in the form of rapid innovation for which company is known for. instance, through the Toyota Prius, this intensive growth strategy empowers the firm to attract customers concerned about the environment, and it also supports Toyota's broad differentiation generic strategy by using innovative products that are attractive based on uniqueness or advanced features. Market development. Toyota already has a global presence. As such, market development is just a supporting intensive growth strategy for the business in which Toyota grows by entering new markets or selling to new market segments. The firm sells its product to every market segment. Competitive advantages through the Toyota way. Expanding markets. Purpose driven businesses use their company to address a challenge impacting the world. By creating products that help overcome a problem, you can open opportunities in new markets that can relate to your purpose. By focusing on mobility, Toyota is expanding its business to car sharing. The lesson here is to drive innovation with purpose. You must identify what people need, what's holding them back, and how your company can help others to live better. Products with purpose. To build both social impact and the bottom line, you must weave purpose into product development. Toyota has been driving innovation for years, rolling out hybrid synergy drives technology and the Prius, which set the standard for hybrid car and has continued to innovate ever since. New partnerships. By committing to a higher purpose, you can increase partnership opportunities with other organizations working towards a similar goal. To drive innovation with the aim of advancing mobility, Toyota is partnering with SoftBank. They have plans to release autonomous delivery services by 2020. Toyota in the world. Toyota is present all over the world: North America, Europe, China, Asia. It is the second largest automobile company in the world and the largest automobile company in Japan. It has 71 manufacturing companies worldwide and 20 research and development centers in the world. Global operations of Toyota. Toyota deals in manufacturing of marine boats and engines, production of forklift trucks, and industrial equipment. Since 1975, they are building houses and developing new building techniques. Toyota also deals in biotechnology and afforestation projects. In this slide, I'll be discussing about the global marketing strategies of Toyota. SWOT analysis refers to strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threat. Toyota's main strength is that it has a diverse product line with wide range of segments for customers to choose. Product differentiation strategy of Toyota to make products different from its competitors. It manufactures products according to the preference of a country or region, like in Saudi Arabia. It provides specific automobile to suit their customers. Marketing channel: large dealership network. Toyota has a large dealership network all around the world, which acts as a marketing channel. In 2015, Toyota had 180 dealerships and 4,700 sales in Japan. Culture of innovation. Toyota has its own management philosophy called Toyota's way of expressing values, and also conducting guidelines for every Toyota's employees worldwide. Employees follow these guidelines that makes staff thinking long term and more problem solving, resulting to improve the product. Customers' best interest is at top priority. Toyota aims for continuous improvement to provide customers with best product. By promoting working attitude that is respectful towards customers, Toyota can portray an image of an automobile brand that people can trust. Different slogans in different countries to draw customers' attention, like in Australia, "Oh, what a feeling." In Europe, "Nothing is impossible." In Japan, "Start your impossible." And the US, "Let's go places." Toyota in Canada. Justin Trudeau welcomes the Toyota's new launch of Lexus NX and NX Hybrid to the Cambridge plant. Further, Trudeau invested $110 million to support Toyota. Toyota's investment support more than 8,000 jobs and 1,000 co-op placements in southwestern Ontario. Toyota's Cambridge and Woodstock plant reduce 5,000 vehicles annually. Moreover, Toyota is among the largest automotive manufacturers of Canada and is also among the top 5 global manufacturing plant. Furthermore, Toyota has invested $200 million over 10 years to support the economic growth and creating better opportunities for Canadian workers and businesses. In this slide, I'll throw some light on the marketing research and strategies done by Toyota. A strategic marketing plan includes three phases, namely planning, implementation, and control. First, the planning phase should involve mission definition and situation analysis. Second, the implementation phase includes opportunities identification and evaluation and the implementation of marketing mix and resources. Third is the control phase that seeks to evaluate performance. Through its mission statement, it is evident that Toyota dependably tries to make a more prosperous society through automotive production. The outcomes of the market research are the company striving to make the world a better place and propel the society through automobile production. Subsequently, the company relentlessly endeavors to accomplish a steady long-haul development in future. These efforts are influenced key variables that Toyota upholds: the environment, global economy, and all the stakeholders. The company dependably offers hybrid alternatives for all models available in the automobile market, setting a target of 1 million hybrid vehicles every year. Toyota is also conscious of the global climatic and energy changes, efforts that are mirrored in its manufacturing and distribution processes. The company also holds the fuel economy in high regards as well as reduction of carbon dioxide emissions. Analyzing the consumers of Toyota's target marketing and segmentation are based on the logic it accepts and that seeks to put the right automobile in the respective place as opposed to a one size fits all approach. In doing so, the company has managed to employ demographic segmentation as well as psychographic segmentation to focus on these business segments. For instance, Toyota has portioned every one of the nations across the world. While doing this, it has additionally recognized its engaged markets such as the US, Canada, China, Indonesia, and so forth. Notwithstanding, US is one of the main markets where the company has up to 30% of its aggregate customers. The company has focused on its business sectors from economy class to lower class. The company also manufactures luxurious vehicles such as Lexus, Prius. Another Toyota's model targets the ecological conscious customers. Toyota's ability to detect and meet these requirements is evident. Toyota also have focused on family measures and in this section individuals of upper middle, the high income gathering is kept in perspective. Land Cruiser and Prado are some of the key vehicles of this section. In this marketing plan, Toyota has also incorporated environmental sensitivity, safety, and lower operation cost aspects. In light of global concerns to protect the environment, Toyota has also endeavored to manufacture hybrid vehicles like the Prius. The corporation is specialized in integrating a B2B and B2C e-commerce into its business activities. The formation and employment of QR codes has provided Toyota Motor Corporation (TMC) with a considerable lead in the automobile industry, ultimately decreasing cost and generating greater efficiency. The company's online showroom allows potential consumers to view the vehicles in customized form by changing color and allowing them to read up on added accessories and interior details. These showrooms ultimately promote purchase decisions. By using the internet, TMC has efficiently implemented online storefronts for vehicle purchasing. Toyota has also a strong system of reusing and salvaging parts through the use of e-commerce. Used parts are also sold on the web through the distributors. The methodology, or one can call it Toyota's production system, is based on two concepts: Jidoka and just in time. Jidoka, a Japanese term that can be translated as automation with a human touch, is a method for quickly identifying and correcting any issues that could lead to faulty production. The just in time is about refining and coordinating each production process so that it can only produce what is required by the next process in the sequence. By applying these concepts, Toyota can produce vehicles quickly and efficiently. Targeted market of Toyota. A targeted market refers to a group of potential customers to whom a company wants to sell its product and services. This group also includes specific customers to whom a company directs its marketing efforts. Toyota's target marketing strategy is based on the principle of launching the right car for the right market. As part of this strategy, it has launched various models over the years that are intended to focus on each market segment in which it operates. In the following two slides, we'll be discussing about segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Currently, Toyota is focusing on two types of segmentation: demographic and psychographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation is the segmentation in which Toyota has targeted the family size, and in this segmentation, people of upper middle high income group is kept in view by Toyota. Land Cruiser, Prado, Camry is some of the major cars of this segment which are designed for those who have buying power to purchase these products. In this segment, Toyota has targeted the high class people. A high income group who have sporty attitude is kept in view by Toyota, such as Toyota Altis model and Toyota Fortuner. Toyota uses differentiated targeting strategies for manufacturing and selling its offerings as per the customer segments and improve the customer's satisfaction. Also, the positioning has been done by the Toyota's use of poor differentiation and low-cost generic strategies, trying to gain a competitive advantage over their competitors in the automotive industry. The market scope that Toyota uses is a broad one that encompasses nearly every type of customer in the market. Toyota can target a large market because they have something for everyone. Toyota has a four-wheel drive trucks and SUVs of the outdoor types for those who live in areas that face several weather conditions. Subaru, Isuzu, and Mazda are the main brands that Toyota is being partnered with. The Toyota 86 and the Subaru BRZ look very similar. That's because Toyota and Subaru are partnering companies that collaborate on vehicle builds every now and then. In fact, Toyota just recently purchased a larger stake in Subaru, making it have 16.6%. While you do not see many Isuzu dedicated vehicles on the road anymore, you have likely seen some vehicles with their N Carlot Toyota diesel engine in them. In fact, Isuzu supplies diesel engines for brands like the GM. Toyota also owns a partial stake in Mazda. This Japanese-based auto manufacturer is responsible for manufacturing the Wankel rotary engine along with other iconic vehicles throughout his history. The current agreement with the Toyota involves the exchange of fuel-efficient Skyactiv and Carlot Toyota engines for hydrogen fuel cell technology. Toyota sustains their marketing strategy by implementing the Lean CRM. CRM serves as a pull customer strategy where Toyota go for the customer first before they come. There are two main elements of this software. Firstly, to determine customers' life cycle and their buying behavior. Secondly, the strategy to target these branches of potential customers with this information. The Lean CRM customer pull strategy guides the prospective customer to website once the customer plans to purchase a car. Automatically, it can learn the customer's buying behavior through the customer search engine and requirement to further information. The Lean CRM Toyota push strategy guides the prospective customer to what the customer wants with just the right information that Toyota think could lead them to take the action. At the same time, Toyota will send out a customized offer to the prospective customers. Toyota Industries Corporation engage in a wide variety of businesses including automobiles, materials handling equipment and textile machinery. Automobile industry includes vehicles, engine, car air conditioning compressors, car electronics, while the material handling equipment includes three types of products, that is Toyota, Raymond and HE products. Textile machinery includes spinning and weaving machinery. Toyota's North American Logistics Control Division is taking a more centralized approach in managing its inbound logistics network to influence the car maker's purchasing decisions, let alone controlling it is the complexity of its management organization. TEMA has central departments in Erlanger for purchasing, production, and logistics control, with Brown's team responsible for inbound logistics, packaging design, new model logistics, and other areas. The central function has always been monitored and managed providers and determine packaging requirements, working with purchasing to procure the services. However, a great deal of logistics power has always sat with the plants, each of which is a separately incorporated entity at Toyota. Talking about the marketing channels, Toyota is one of the successful automobile company that has effectively used its distribution channels. Toyota mainly relies on its dealership for the sale of its products. Toyota relies upon the dealer to pull in customers, influence them to purchase Toyota cars. The organization additionally relies upon different dealers to give great sales and services that will remain the reputation and maintain the reputation of Toyota and its dealer body as well. The following slides are the references that has been used while making this presentation. Thank you.